Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to talk about the most important topic, that is oral hygiene during pandemic. We all know that COVID cases are decreasing day by day, but it hasn't completely vanished. And there is a 50% chance that it will hit us again, and maybe this second third wave return of corona will be more dangerous. Already we have taken so many precautions and followed so many steps to avoid the virus and followed many good habits to avoid getting affected by this virus. We all are wearing masks to avoid the entry of virus into our mouth, but we usually forget to take care of the oral hygiene, because if any kind of virus has gotten into our mouth, we can get rid of it through our daily oral hygiene practice. So in this video, I am going to talk about oral hygiene in basic 4 parts. So firstly, we are going to discuss about the importance of good oral health. Your oral health is important because when you take care of your oral hygiene, you simultaneously take care of your overall health. In this pandemic time, we all know that the dreadful virus corona has one of its way through our mouth to get into our respiratory system. Hence, it is very important to take measure steps to keep virus out of the reach of our mouth. And most importantly, we have to take good care of our teeth, as very tiny caries can cause a big problem. Secondly, awareness. Awareness is very important. Oral hygiene is an integral part of our personal hygiene practices that should not be neglected. Oral hygiene is essential in reducing the infection from the oral cavity and also reduce the transfer of infection to upper and lower respiratory tract. A good oral hygiene implies in reducing the morbidity and mortality related to coronavirus disease potentially. Firstly, as lockdown is going on, there will be less of active dental clinics, so we have to take care of our own necessary preventions. If there is indication of any dental problems, do visit a dentist or contact them for consult, as it is pretty much necessary to avoid such problems. Then next, the necessary steps to be taken. Brush teeth twice daily for 2 minutes with fluoridated paste. That is an easy key to get rid of any problems. After each use of the brush, clean and disinfect the toothbrush with any antiseptic mouthwash. Avoid placing the toothbrushes of a family member in the common toothbrush holder. Don't forget to brush your tongue, as many bacteria play hide and seek in the papilla of the tongue. Avoid sugary and junk foods and mainly beverages that causes acid attack on tooth and increases risk of cavities. If you are already prone to caries, then use an antibacterial mouthwash daily after eating. Use xylitol gum or mints to neutralize the acid produced after eating. Clean between your teeth using floss, proxa brush or soap pricks to avoid deposition of calculus that leads to periodontal problems. Use disposable interdental cleaning aids. Do not repeat those interdental cleaning aids because it may be infected. Do wash your hands for 20 seconds before eating, and this is very pretty much necessary in this COVID time. Lastly, the main thing is impact of diet. In this time, we should take care of our diet as it would affect us in different ways. While staying at home, it's quite easy and fun to open refrigerator again and again and binge on eating fancy foods and to reach on sweet treats. So while doing this, it's important to make sure you are still looking out for your oral health. Sugary foods are the main source of bacteria that produce harmful acids in mouth. Every time you eat sugary foods, your teeth are under attack acids for an hour. So make sure you limit the consumption of this food, and if you eat, do flush like a boss. And it's important to have a diet that have milk, green vegetables, fruits, nuts, beans and protein rich foods. Make sure your favorite beverage is your water. And remember, if you can't level up your oral hygiene game, then you can't fight the virus. So this was my message, and this was to make you know that oral hygiene game is very necessary to take care of our oral health. So if you like this video, please subscribe it and share as much as possible so that many people would reach to this video and maybe this video will be helpful for them. Thank you.